On a windy afternoon in San Francisco, a stray orange cat named Milo discovered he could talk, but only when no humans were around. Shocked but thrilled, he tested his voice by debating philosophy with a confused pigeon near the Golden Gate Bridge. Milo soon gathered a secret society of city animals. Raccoons from the piers, parrots escaped from apartments, even a retired circus dog. Every night, they met on rooftops to share stories about their humans. One evening, Milo accidentally spoke while a little girl was listening. She just smiled and whispered, "Don't worry, I won't tell." And she never did.